Another example. I guess I'll show you guys a bad example. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this like a set spreadsheet you create of your products that you've got out there so you can monitor them? Is that what this is?
Yeah, this is one of my VA trainees. So she sends me like products every day and I just check it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a virtual assistant, but it's very similar to your list.
So we have one.
Let me see. This is a bad one. Let me see. So, I think there's a decent one. Let me see. So this one is at 2% BSR, which is like pretty high, right? Because the BSR we want to keep at 1%. So this one's at 2%. Only
What's the
8 sales a
BSR
month.
again?
Huh?
What's the BSR again?
Best selling rank.
Oh,
Best
yeah.
selling range.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is at 8 sales a month, which is really too low, right?
Yeah.
Numbers. So yeah, numbers are good. I mean, ROI is pretty good. But my concern is this one is at 8 sales a month. And then if you look down, I mean, this one has only one other seller.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say this is decent, right? Because 8 sales a month, but only one seller here.
So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so to me it's decent.
But the downside was the best selling rank, right?
Yeah.
Right. Let's see.
What's a good number per month?
1%.
As far as
Of-
BSR, you mean, or
Yeah, yeah.
so 1%, ideally 1%, and then sales per month. It just depends on you, but I usually base it on this sales per month versus the other sellers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this one I would say is decent because there's no other sellers on it except for like
Right.
1%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's see. Hmm. Let's see.
So the BSR was too high. It was 2%. That's too high or too.
Yeah, too high.
So it needs to be like 1% or lower. Is that right?
I don't get that.
Yeah, 1% or lower.
That's it. Best selling rank.
Yeah. Let's see. So this one is low trimming,
Oh, I understand it.
5 ounce.
Look at the
So usually check the title. Looks the same. Photos. Control. This is good. 5.78. So 5.78. This one's good too. So 42% ROI.
Profits low.
BSR. Yeah, probably like a little low on the lower side.
Mhm.
150 sales in a month. I mean, very low other sellers. So there's only 2 sellers here, right?
Yeah.
With 5 pieces. So now you go to Keepa. Okay.
So it's selling a lot every month and there's only 2 sellers. So that seems like that'd be.
It seems good, but if you look at Keepa, Amazon is on this listing for like a long time, and they're selling this product at $5, $5. You guys see it?
Yeah,
It says
$5.
right there, right? It says
Yeah.
Amazon on it, the orange
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
And
Right.
they've been selling this product for about $5 for a long time.
Long time. Yeah.
Yeah. So to me, this is risky because they can go back on the listing and they would drop the price to like $5.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this one I would say is bad. Where is it? Too risky. Amazon. Sell it for $5.
And that's up to them. That's their discretion just to drop at any time, right?
Yeah. So I usually just avoid it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What about the website? I've never seen that or heard of that website before. Have you? That looks
Which one?
suspicious to me. The
the
website that
website?
you would, yeah, that you would be ordering it from.
Good question. Let me see. Yeah.
Like,
So
is that
if-
Furniture Easy Store? Like, how are you ordering foot powder from Furniture Easy Store?
yeah, so if it was suspicious, what you would do is you would get the website, right?
And go to Trustpilot?
Right. Do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm,
There you go.
mhm.
I would get the website, and I usually do review and then the website. And then from there you can kind of see or yeah, Trustpilot too would work. Trustpilot. Good catch, by the way. Yeah, this one has no reviews.
But that's it. That doesn't seem right.
Right. So if
Mhm.
it seems suspicious to you and there's no reviews online,
Mm-hmm.
just skip it.
Yep.
Yeah. Because why would you risk, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's just so many products out there that there's no need to really risk your money like that.
Right.
Mhm.
There's a grease
So what-
more.
Are they just like posting that and taking your money? Is that what's happening or what?
I mean, it could be legit, honestly, but
Huh.
you know, it could be like a smaller third-party seller.
Okay.
Yeah, but we just don't know.
Yeah.
Or it could be like a scam website,
Mm-hmm.
or it could be legit. But
I'm
I mean,
thinking.
yeah, but just to be safe, I mean, and sometimes I even call these numbers right here
Right.
or like email them. But honestly, it's not worth your time because there's so many products out there. I mean, just today
Right.
alone, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of
Today
like
alone, I got
choose
like
Craigslist.
10 products today to like choose from. So
Right.
Right.
questions? Any questions, guys?
No.
I'm still a little confused and I'll probably get it in your training on the best-selling rank.
Right.
I'm not understanding that. I'm
Hmm.
assuming that's in the
The
training.
course.
No.
So,
Go ahead,
I'll
bro.
try to
Yeah,
explain it for you. Okay.
ahead.
Okay.
So, when you're trying to buy something, do you want to buy something that sells in the top 50%? Of say there's 1,000 items and these items sell in the top 50%, right? You have something else that sells in the top 10%. You have something else that sells in the top 1%. So what you're
Correct.
looking at, there's things that are in the top 1% of sellers.
Okay.
Those are selling the best. So
Okay, got
if
it.
it's 2, 3, or 4, that means that they're lower in that rank. So the
Got
lower the percentage, the more concentration of the best sellers. So you want
Right.
it at 1% or less.
Okay.
It's the best sellers of all their products on Amazon. Top
It's the
1%.
top 1%. Now that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Right.
Good. Good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Yeah, I had the same issue when I first did it. I was like,
it. Up, down, like
It's
that.
killing it now, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
in there.
Cool.
Ah,
Started a few months ago, so same
well, that's
the same
great.
training as you guys. So
Yeah, I'm new too. I just started this fall, so it's been
Cool.
Okay.
4 months now.